This hydraulic lift table cart from Roughneck lifts up to 770 pounds with the one-touch ease of compressed air or with a convenient foot pedal control. It easily goes from 13.5 inches to 51.1 inches on a platform that measures 35 5/8 inches long by 20.1 inches wide. You can easily work the scissor lift tabletop with the handy foot pedal, conveniently covered in non-slip rubber for excellent control, or with the hydraulic controls. And it rolls on heavy-duty cast iron polyurethane casters for easy maneuvering. The extra tough all-steel construction with durable powder coat finish is easy to clean and operate. Easily and quickly lift or lower up to 770 pounds with this hydraulic lift table cart from Roughneck.